interest rate is the cost of borrowing or the cost that one pays for the rental of funds. There are different types of interest rates in our lives: mortgage interest rates, student loan rates, interest rates on investment loans, bonds, etc. Interest rates play an important role in the economy for a number of reasons. If a person wants to buy a house and interest rates are too high, this could impede him or her from taking action. At the same time, he might prefer depositing his savings in a bank because they would earn him a high level of interest. A similar logic exists in the corporate world. High borrowing rates impede firms from investing in new projects. As you can see, interest rates have a strong impact on the state of the economy. It is also true that interest rates are influenced by the economy. During a period of stable growth, people are less concerned about depositing their money, and similarly, banks apply lower interest rates associated with their loans. When a crisis occurs, everybody is much more cautious and unwilling to lend their money, which results in higher interest rates. Understanding the dynamics that interest rates have in different economic cycles is key for making informed and successful financial decisions.